Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The meaning of space is primordial Buddhahood. Now there is even more that must be explained. This is the space of primordial Buddhahood. When we do not understand that this is for certain, our meaningless searches are the reasons we are tired. This is like an island of precious gold. In the true nature of the bodhicitta, we are beyond obstructions. This is the meaning of primordial Buddhahood. It is called what it means to have no mind. In the mandala of sky space, we are brought together into a harmonious wisdom. So our actual empowerment is the way in which we are aware. We use the lamp of shining wisdom for the blazing light of the awareness that we exemplify, and an understanding dawns on us that is truly certain. Self-originating clear light is pure. We do not abide by the dharmas of exaggeration and appreciation. This is the mandala of the self-luminosity that is beyond us all. An uncontrived clear light is the river of our awareness. It is like the heart of the sun. It is like the sky that brings forth all things. We abide in the way of secret wisdom. Non-dual wisdom is the thing that is secret. Unmoving self-clarity is the supreme experience, as it is with the way of the clear sky. We are pervasively present, without any edge or center. The heart essence of us all seems to be the same. However, we are all one. In the self-luminosity of our hearts, the awareness of wisdom blazes in a light. In this Dharma we settle on four realities. We abide in what it means to be self-luminous, just as we are. We are not corrupted by the ideas in our thinking, but we exemplify them with the name reality. Awareness that is beyond thought does not contemplate anything. We have no objects. We cut through every motion. This is the wisdom of our clear awareness. We are living in a time that is inconceivable. The designation of there being 3 times is a path for words.